So if you have the DJI Rs3 mini gimbal, you should check out these awesome Ulanzi Claw Accessories. It's pretty cool, and yep, it's Thursday, so let's do this quickly. So here is the claw system from Ulanzi. It's a quick release system that you can lock into place, and you can just squeeze right here and you can take it off. There's also even a lock button that you can kind of slide over in case you're worried about accidentally bumping it and it coming loose. That will just hold it in place. But this is in fact a really quick system, and it's really secure. And check out this extension pole that's like carbon fiber. It's lightweight but really strong. It gives you the ability to hold it up a lot higher and get different vantage points, great for crowds, and it even goes up even higher than that. And it has a really good rubber tread locking mechanism, but it's solid and you can get some really creative shots with it. And it also has the claw system under that, so you can easily put that onto a tripod or other accessories. And it's just so easy to remove because of the claw.
Nothing can stop the claw!
But then you also have this briefcase arm where you can pop this thing on, and that gives you the ability to use two hands for just more stabilization. And this is great if you wanted to get those low to the ground shots. You can hold it like a briefcase, hence the name. But also there's a cold shoe mount on here for like a monitor or a light or other accessories. And if you are looking for a really good gimbal for your mirrorless or your DSLR, the Rs3 Mini has been amazing. Oh, time's up. So there you go, and you can check out the link in the description if you want to learn more. The claw system is a flawless one, and it's a great way to jump from one accessory to the next, and just really quality made from Ulanzi. But that's it for this 30-second Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Master Blank.